Hi, this is Mark Lieberman, your local solar ace here at Harvest Power, covering all of Long Island, Westchester County, New York City, and the entire state of New Jersey. I'm here today at one of my local clients' installations in Dix Hills, Long Island. And as you can see, they are redoing their home, and solar is a big part of their project. Let's take a look inside and see what we're doing. As we walk through the front door, you'll notice there are no walls up, only beams. There's no floor down, only concrete. All the sheetrock is gone, and there is no insulation. This house is completely gutted out. So now I'm here with Edgar, one of our lead installers. And Edgar, I just wanted to ask you a question about the convenience of working in a gutted home.
So yeah, when the house is open like that, it's easily for us to run wires through the attic, and the whole house is open.
Looking at the back half of the house, you can see that our electrician is working and our guys are on the roof, putting down the racking system, getting ready for the solar panels. Coincidentally, Mike is the one who actually took care of the electricity hookup on my personal home, on my solar system. Mike, can I ask you a couple questions about getting installed on a house that's gutted out?
Yes, open construction is a lot easier and it's a lot cleaner because we can do everything inside the walls.
I think it's important to note that we worked alongside the builder and making sure everything is getting done in coordination with the building team.